Hi there, students. Pluck, pluck. Okay, this word can be a verb or a noun. As a noun, pluck means courage, bravery, enterprise. Plucky, the adjective. He was a very plucky young man. She was a very plucky young lady. The pluckiness in her made me admire her. The guts, the grit. Yeah? So pluck, bravery. And then as a verb, to pluck, to pull out. Yeah, you could pluck out a hair. He plucked a strawberry from the plant. I offered him the money in my hand, and he plucked the money out of my hand and ran off. So to take out, to pull out. Okay, and these are the two meanings of pluck. Yeah, to pull something, particularly with a sudden movement, in order to remove it. So you have a chicken and it's covered in feathers, and you need to pluck the chicken. Yeah, to pull out the feathers, to pluck out the feathers. Yeah. Okay, to pluck, to pull something out. Yeah, to remove something suddenly. You could pluck somebody out of an ordinary situation or a dangerous situation. He plucked the singer was plucked out of the band and sent to stardom. Yeah, the passengers on the ship were plucked from danger at the very last moment. Okay, so to pluck someone from a dangerous or difficult situation. Yeah, and then let's see, to pluck up your courage, effectively to pluck up your courage, to become brave. This is an expression. I was really worried about asking her out, and finally I plucked up the courage to ask her out, and she said no. Well, that can happen, okay? Or to pluck something out of the air. I've seen chickens pluck flies out of the air. But then you can also pluck something out of the air is to find a solution out of nothing. Yeah, he plucked the answer out of the air. Yeah, or maybe somebody asks you a question, and I don't know what to say, and I plucked an answer out of the air. I just 50, yeah, without thinking about it. Okay, so to pluck. Okay, so pluck, plucky, brave, bravery. So he showed a lot of pluck in this situation, courage and determination in a difficult or frightening situation. It's your nerve, your spirit. Yeah, he's very enterprising, very plucky. And then to pluck, to pluck a guitar string. Bong, bong. Yeah, this has got the idea of moving it suddenly so that it makes a sound. He was plucking his lyre. Yeah, to strum, to twang. Bong, bong. Okay, to pluck something from nowhere. You grab it, you take it. Yeah. I saw the chicken dig up a worm, and the neighbour plucked the worm from the soil right in front of it. You could pluck a leaf. You take it, but in your fingers, and you pull it off in order to break the stalk. Yeah. He plucked a rose and gave it to her on bended knee. Okay, so pluck, we use this in quite a lot of ways. Yeah, to pluck a chicken, to pluck a bird. Okay, the child was plucked from the nursery and taken to the doctors, to remove abruptly or forcibly from a situation. The police plucked the criminal from the middle of the crowd. You could pluck at your clothes, to pull at, and this is the same as music, to strum, to pull and release, or with a plectrum, making a sound with a string. Okay. So to pluck, he plucked the flower and gave it to me, to pick, pluck, bravery. So to pluck, to pick up, to take, to pick, to draw, to collect, to gather, to harvest, to pluck, to pull at, to jerk, to yank, to pluck a string, dong dong dong, he plucked the strings. And then as a noun, courage, spirit, bottle, determination, guts, bravery, grit, metal. You really have to admire her pluck. She's very brave, her courageousness. Okay, it takes pluck to do that. It needs bravery. She's got lots of pluck. I had to pluck up my courage, to screw up my courage, to pick it up. To pluck up my pluck, but it's normally to pluck up your courage, to pluck up courage to do something. The helicopter plucked the drowning man from the sea. I plucked an idea out of the air. Out of nothing. That was it. He was plucked from obscurity. Taken from obscurity. To pluck at your clothes, to pull at. To pluck up the courage to do something. Okay, so pluck, formality. Pluck as in courage, and it's more unusual. I think I would give it a 6, maybe 6.5. Could you use it informally? Maybe, but bravery, courage is better. And then to pluck a fruit, 6.5 to 7 again, semi-formal conversation and above. To pluck a string, I think 5 informality use anyway. He plucked at the guitar strings. And then as to origin, okay, these come from, let's see, an Old English word, Pluckian or Plockian, to pluck, which comes from Proto-Germanic plukona, to pick. Okay, and for example, there's a German word, plucken, to pluck, to pick, or Dutch, plukken, to pluck as well. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Pluck. Plucky.